just released a video series called From Beginner to Basketmaker in 6 Easy Steps, which is essentially a fast-track apprenticeship to becoming an accomplished basketmaker. Starting with a flat platter, you'll learn how to make a frame and then weave from side to side using a single rod. Moving on to a bird's nest, you will use one rod around and around to form a three-dimensional teardrop shape. A trug is made by joining willow hoops together to form a frame around which you weave and fill in the space. This egg-shaped frame basket is also framed with 2 hoops, joined together with a god's eye, and then with extra ribs added, we weave from side to side and again fill in the space. A skib is a very traditional basket, and I will introduce you to weaving with 2 rods called pairing, 3 rods called wheeling, and how to make a border. And finally, with an oval shopper, I will guide you through pairing, reverse pairing, wheeling, how to make a border, and how to add a handle. And so your short weaving apprenticeship is complete. These 6 videos are designed with beginners in mind. Each project builds upon your skills as you go, so by the end you'll be ready to weave almost anything. If you'd like to find out more, just click the link below.